Welcome to CompNET Faiba dealer. Faiba4g powered by Jamii Telcom. Faiba4g, we have Mifi. This is a router which costs 5,400, which can connect about 10 users. We have a charger here. Warranty is 1 year. I'll show you how to use it and to connect it. We need to have a pin to remove a tray. Just make sure you place the SIM card correctly. Well and good. You just need to power it on. Give it a few seconds as it comes on. The good thing with this one, you get a 25 GB for 1,000 bob monthly. We also have for weekly, which is 8 GB for 300, 15 GB for 500, 2,000, you get a 40 GB one monthly. As you can see now, it's powered on. We have a Wi-Fi key, which is the password for the Wi-Fi. We also have a sticker. As you can see, this sticker will be able to assist you by bundles. Or you can also download our app called CompNET Faiba app. Or you can visit our website, which is CompNETFaiba.com, which is a self-care. We'll be able to assist you in everything. I do urge you to come and buy one. We are at Ngina Street, VEDIC House, second floor, room 201. Don't forget to subscribe. Welcome.